Hi friends.
Hi friends.
I'm Diana.
And I'm Lila.
And today we're gonna follow along in our series called At the Zoo, where we're drawing animals from the letters A to Z. And today's letter is the letter
B.
B. So we're gonna draw a bear for the letter B. Let's start right here on the left side and let's draw a circle for the face of the bear.
Oh my gosh.
It's gonna be a pretty big.
Circles are so hard to draw.
Circles are kind of tricky. My circles are always, not really perfect, but that's okay. Don't worry about being perfect. Just remember to just enjoy this process. Yeah, so somewhere about like right here. Yeah, where you are is really nice. Kind of like the top left corner.
It's a really good circle, finally.
Let's draw some ears. Okay, so I'm gonna start by making a curve on the top right here. Like an upside down U shape. We're gonna do the same thing on the top left, like that right there. Okay, and don't worry about being perfect, look at mine. And then we're gonna make the same curve following the same shape on the outside and the same curve on the other side, okay? There's gonna be a circle right here, so let's draw a circle like that. And inside of this circle, we're gonna draw a nose, which is gonna be an oval shape right here, like that. And then let's make a line, a little line going down underneath the oval, and then a curve going up like this, like a smiley face, like that. Ta-da! Okay, and how about we add some eyes?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna draw some upside down U shapes for the eyes on both sides. And some eyelashes. And how about just a little bit of hair on this bear that we can see, like just make some little lines on the top of the head like that, going up and out, different directions. Okay, so we're done with our face, okay? Now let's work on the body. We're gonna start somewhere right here in this middle part of this ear, and we're gonna draw a big curvy line that goes from the top over here and it loops down to over here. So I'm gonna start somewhere right here.
By towards the ear, it's gonna start.
Pretty big body that goes all the way.
Holy moly, but boy, that's a big body.
Yeah, like that. Because bears are pretty big, right?
They don't a lot.
Yours, because your head is a little bit smaller, yours could be smaller. Yours could stop right there. Yours could stop right there, kind of, yeah. So make that curve.
Why does it matter about the head so much? Why does it matter about the head?
Okay, so
how big the body is?
Yeah, so it's in proportion. So the head and the body are kind of like a good size to each other. For the bottom, let's start working with the underbelly. So we're gonna start in the
underbelly,
like the bottom part of the belly. So we're gonna start with making a curve that starts in the bottom center of the head right here, and it's gonna go down like that. Do you see that? It's going curvy down like that.
Curvy.
Down to the right. Yep. Okay. And let's actually start with the legs. So what we'll do is we're gonna start somewhere up here and we're gonna go down till about right over here, almost to the bottom of that, but we're gonna go from here up here till about there. We're gonna curve down like that. Those are gonna be the legs. Okay, and then we're gonna make a curve, a little curve like that. That's gonna be like the foot. And we're gonna curve this one up like that, okay?
They're dangerous too.
So there's one foot or one leg.
Dangerous.
They are dangerous, yeah. But if you have like a little teddy bear, they're not so dangerous.
Yeah, I have a teddy bear in my bedroom.
Now we worked on one leg. Let's do the one right here in front of it, but it's gonna look like it's behind it, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come right up here and make a line that's curving down till about there, like around the same spot where that one ends. Okay, and we're gonna make a curve that's gonna be the same as that curve, on like the same as this foot.
Try to do the same thing.
Exactly, we're just gonna try to do the same thing where we're gonna draw a curve like that. And then this one is gonna go up like that. So it looks like it's behind this leg. It's just gonna touch, you know, this leg right here. Great. Before we draw the last leg back here, let's continue this curve and let's continue it starting down here and stopping over here. So it's gonna be like the underbelly. It goes like that.
Let's start right there.
Okay. That part's done. Okay, and let's draw the other part. So for that part, we're gonna draw a line. Actually, let's start right here. We're gonna come down and make a line that goes down till about there. And make that curve for the feet. And then let's go up till about there. And that's it. We have our bear. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna start coloring ours in. You guys feel free to add maybe some trees for the forest, or maybe it's in a cave. Maybe there's a baby bear somewhere.
Like under it.
Yeah, or you could draw, you have room also, Lila. You can draw something else.
Right here, right here, right here.
Have fun, decorate your bear. You can even add some decorations to your bear if you want. Have as much fun as you want. So we're gonna color ours in. We're gonna speed up the video and do the same with yours and then come back and see how we finished. Ready?
Yeah.
Here we are with our colored in bears, and looks like Lila added a
Tree.
Very cute. You know, one thing I actually forgot to add to our bears is some claws. So if you guys still have your markers or pens, whatever you use to draw your bears, let's go ahead and on the bottom of these feet right here, let's add these kind of curvy lines that come out like this on the bottom.
Claws.
That looks kind of like their claws.
I still know claws. Even
Yeah,
cats
so
have
just
that.
go like that. There you go. And that,
Cats.
that should complete the bear look, right?
Yeah.
And don't worry if you forgot that. It's no big deal.
You can do it now.
Yeah, so we hope that you guys enjoyed drawing and coloring in these bears in our At the Zoo series for the letter B. And we would love to see how your bear drawing turned out. So please take a photo and share with us. The information for how to do that is under the video. And if you want to see more drawing examples, please check out our other videos and also follow along with us for the next letter in the series, which is going to be the letter C. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share this with a friend. Thank you so much for watching.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.